Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at in the world. It's your boy Jamie, aka Cut the Room, bringing it to you from the kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Good morning, 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 good morning to each and every one of you today. Guys, it is an honor, it is a blessing to be here before each and every one of you. Good morning to everybody out there in Skype world. Good morning to everybody out there in YouTube land and anybody else that's going to be coming in a little bit later on. All right, guys. On behalf of Dr. Gregory McLeod of Elite Traders University, who is not just the CEO, president, founder, and senior educator, Dr. Greg McLeod, welcome. It's an honor to have you here, guys. And before we get started, my job is to make sure that you are protected. ETU is protected, and of course, myself. Right here on the top of our screen, we have the risk disclaimer. All right, guys. Now, we do this every morning, every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 8 a.m. till about 9:30 a.m. All right, guys, for about anywhere from an hour to 90 minutes, depending on what the market is looking like, okay? This is our risk disclaimer. We're going to be trading in a foreign exchange market. That's right, Forex, guys, all right? And understand this, we're going to be trading a lot of money. We're going to be trading money. We're going to be doing some great things, Lord bless, all right? And please understand, you can make money, you can lose money, and you can't make no money, okay? But always understand there is risk involved, all right? Make sure you get with your professional, licensed professional and involved in investments and everything, because we don't give out any form of investment strategies or anything of that nature, okay? So last thing is this: past performance, like yesterday and the day before and last week, past performance is not indicative of future profits. All right, guys. So I just wanted to go ahead and lay that on the line for you. Hope everybody is doing great. Hope you slept well last night. We had a great time yesterday. I mean, we had an awesome time yesterday. And I'm looking forward to doing this all over again with you today. All right. So here, let me go ahead and share with you right now what we have here on the screen. This is the Elite Traders University website. That's right, ETU in the house. And I love this slogan here. It says, take your trading to new heights. Take your trading to new heights. See, this isn't just for beginners, all right? This is for beginners, mediocre traders, or even professional traders, right? Because the biggest room in the world is the room of improvement. All right. See, like myself, I was a mediocre trader. I was not where I believe that I should be in the years that I have been trading. I've been trading for almost 8 years now. And I just wasn't there. I mean, I was there, but I wasn't there. It wasn't crisp, right? It wasn't sharp. So I had to put myself in a position of power to go ahead and become better, right? And I was able to do that by joining ETU, by being under the tutelage of Dr. Gregory McLeod, all right? So Dr. Greg, he's been in this industry for almost 30 years now. That's right, 30 years, 3 decades. Oh my God, that's a long time to have somebody that used to work for one of the largest brokerage firms in the world, FXCM. See, his title there was a currency analyst, right? He would analyze the markets. He would analyze specific currencies to see if it was worth buying or if it was worth selling against another currency. So let's just go ahead and put it more in simplest terms, okay? Let's look at Pepsi and Coca-Cola, right? Pepsi and Coca-Cola will never be down at the same time, but they can be up at the same time. And most of the time, they're going back and forth. Sometimes Pepsi is up, Coca-Cola's down. Coca-Cola's up, Pepsi's down, right? We want to find out who is the strongest at a certain time. And the way that he teaches is through a 3-step process, right? Excuse me, I've had this cough for the last couple of days, and it's getting annoying. It's starting to get a little chilly here in Saudi Arabia, if you can believe that. But he has a 3-step process, 90-day plan to get you in a position of power. That's right, a position of power to be able to take your trading to the next level. And I'm telling you, he's not only helped a few people or just even a couple of hundred people. He's helped thousands of people all around the world to learn how to become professional foreign exchange traders. That's right, guys. So this is a perfect fit for you. And I would really recommend that you become part of Dr. Greg's YouTube channel. All right. Follow him, get the alerts, subscribe, so you can get trainings like this, live trading calls like this, and you can also get his Bulls versus Bears weekly analysis. That's right. He does an analysis for the following week every Friday and Saturday. All right. So that can kind of prepare us to see what we're looking for in the markets. That's right, guys. It is totally, totally, totally awesome to be able to get a 30-year veteran to be able to share with you what he sees in the market. All right, guys. Now, also, I just want to let you guys know, not only with the 30-year the 30 years that he has in the markets, right? He also has a lifetime teaching credentials from the state of California. I mean, man, I'm telling you. Plus, he has all these PhDs and all these accolades after his name, right? I mean, I don't know all of them because I'm not big with that right there, okay? But to have that behind you, I'm telling you, that right there is what you call true support. So he's has a unique way of trading and helping people to get in and out of the markets very, very quickly by using what I like to call high intensity scalping. High intensity scalping, guys, because trust me, I've seen that man take a couple $100 and flip it to $1,000 in less than 24 hours. So guys, just go ahead and throw that out there. Now, I want to share with you guys a great tool that Dr. Greg has in his arsenal. It's something called the My Market Heat Map. The My Market Heat Map is a phenomenal tool, all right? And if you were on yesterday, I actually gave the secret away. And I'm not going to give the secret today on how to really use and what the My Market Heat Map is for. You're going to go ahead and have to look at that video on yesterday, all right? And find out what that secret is. But what I am going to share with you today is with the My Market Heat Map, it gives how can I say, it tells you what's buying and what's selling. I can definitely tell you that, right? So I'm going to give you the Dr. Greg way of reading My Market Heat Map. Right now, these are the Forex majors, all right? We look at the bottom two for sales and the top two for buys. So if it's red, you're looking for entries for sales. If it's green, you're looking for entries for buys. If it's gray, stay away. If it's yellow, pump your brakes, player, all right? You want to use caution, all right? Not only does it give you the open, high, low, and close, it also gives you how many pips that pair has made at that certain day, and also the percentage. I'm telling you guys, this right here actually is what I like to call an edge, right? Edge to help to assist you with your trading. All right. So guys, this right here is totally a phenomenal tool, especially when you're looking at wanting to trade the foreign exchange and the Forex majors. But not only are you able to look at the majors, you're also able to look at commodities. You can look at the indices. You can look at all Forex pairs. We're going to go ahead and do that right now. All right. Oh, let me log back in. Oh, that's weird. Must have timed me out. All right, there we go. There we go. All Forex pairs. There we go. All right. Click this real quick. Okay. So now we're looking at all Forex pairs. And currently right now, what's popping and what's really rocking right now is the USD ZAR. That's the top two. And the Euro NZD, all right, the New Zealand dollar, okay? So right there, you would be looking at these two pairs to find out I can get an entry to be able to get into the market. Currently right now, it's NZD CAD and NZD USD. And if you wanted to look at the third one, NZD CHF. So guys, basically, this is just telling you that NZD looks like it's selling off. I don't know about you, but when this was shown to me after I made the investment with ETU and Dr. Gray, well, you know what? Let me change that statement. I didn't just make an investment in them. I made an investment in myself. I made an investment for my future and for generations to come, because knowledge, no one can take it away from you. Not one person can take the knowledge that you have, because this is knowledge I'll be able to share with not just my children, my grandson, and their children. Okay, so guys, please understand, knowledge is really not power. Applied knowledge. See, that's the true essence in life. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and get back to this. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of things that's happening right now, but it would make sense to use the My Market heat map to go ahead and let you know, really what should I be trading? Who's in the markets? Who's moving the markets? And this will definitely be able to assist you tremendously. All right. Another great additive that the My Market heat map is, it also has an economic calendar, Forex TV, talks about financial news streams. I mean, everything is there. Currency correlation, sentiment, Forex calculator. I mean, listen, guys, this is what I would call a one-stop shop. Okay. So we're going to actually look at the economic calendar. That's what we're going to look at right now. All right. And with the economic calendar, I do apologize, guys. Someone is trying to get in contact with me, and I don't want to stop doing what I'm doing, because right now you're the ones that's important. All right, today is Wednesday, the 13th. All right, Wednesday the 13th. Where are we at? Here we go. And we had some GBP news happening earlier this morning. All right. But what's going on right about now at 8:30 in about 13 minutes, all right, actually 12 minutes and 9 seconds, we're going to have something called PPI month on month, not mom, all right, MOM. It's not mom or mother or mommy. It's month on month, all right. And that's red folder news. Red folder news really moves the market, ladies and gentlemen. You need to be able to understand that. That's when there's a lot of volume. That's when everybody is in there, the banks, the brokerages, the people, who can really move the market. That can drop, $100 million into the markets and really move it. Okay. So guys, that's going to be popping off here pretty soon. Also, core PPI year on year is going to be moving and shaking, and then core PPI month on month. So, and then later on this morning and this afternoon, they're going to be talking about the gasoline stocks change and crude oil. Now that's orange folder news, and I'm actually glad that came up. All right. That's very important that we're going to talk about this morning, is the difference between yellow, orange, and red. Again, red folder news is high impact. Orange folder news can move the market. All right. If anybody tells you that, hey, don't worry about orange folder news, I'm going to tell you right now, run. All right. Get them out of your ear. Don't let them pay rent in your brain. All right. Because they don't know what they're talking about. And I can back it up. As a matter of fact, I don't have to. Why don't you do the causative research and be able to look when medium orange folder news move the market? You will be very, very surprised. All right, guys. Now, I don't have yellow folder news here on my screen because it doesn't move the market really. You know what I'm saying? It's there for knowledge. It's there for you to be able to look at, kind of gauge the market on certain things. All right. We just mostly look at red folders and orange folder news. All right. Now, later on this afternoon at 2 o'clock, guys, I'm telling you, it's going to be really popping. FOMC economic projections is going to be coming out, and also the Fed interest rate decision. I'm going to tell y'all right now, that is going to be, that's going to be what they call a head banger. And I'm not talking about no music neither. I'm talking about some serious things going to be happening with that. But over here to the right side of my screen, you have previous numbers and projected numbers. All right. Now they're saying 5.5. Looks like it's going to be flat. But do you believe everything you read in the news? Sometimes you got to read in between the lines. That's right, guys. And they're also going to have a Fed press conference 30 minutes after that red folder news. So, guys, please watch your 6 when you're trading today. All right. Now, we're going to go back to the My Market heat map, and I'm going to look at the Forex majors one more time. All right, and they're still looking at NZD USD. That's right, NZD USD and GBP USD. All right, it seems that the US dollar is definitely popping off. All right, so guys, I also want to go ahead and say good morning to everybody. I said good morning earlier. Some people weren't jumped on, but I see it. We got the ETU family up in the house. Hey, what's going on, Jermaine, Kenneth, Moses? It's great to have you guys here this morning. Everybody out there in YouTube land, it's an honor to be able to serve you this morning. All right, guys. Well, what I want to do before we do that, I want to go look at the Dixie. That's right, the Dixie, DXY. All right, that's the US dollar currency index. And we just need to kind of look at that. You know, we've been looking at that pretty much over the week. All right, thus far since Monday. And you know what, guys, our analysis has definitely been on point. All right, this week. Hey, we need to go ahead. We need to hold on. Where is my sound alarm at? I'm telling you, I need to find where is the alarm. Yeah, where's the alarm? I need to pop smoke on the alarm. Where's the alarm? The alarm's not playing. What the heck's going on? I gotta have my alarms. Oh, I think my internet just. Are you guys out there? Can you guys hear me? Hello? If you guys are out there, throw me a message. Yes? Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Good deal. I don't know what's going on with my alarm system. It needs to be working. All right. We're going to try that. All right. Our analysis has been definitely on point, right? Because if you guys remember, on Monday, you know, we were looking for price to come up here and respect 104.270, right? 104 spot 270, and boy, did it respect it. It went to dump city. But if you guys remember, we have our trend line right here, right? And that trend line definitely was respected. Let me kind of fix that up just a little bit, because there we go. Price did come down to that area, right? We were looking around the 106, 103 spot 600 area. Price did come down a little bit lower, all right? But it definitely respected this trend line, because we are in a uptrend. We are in a uptrend, all right? So we're looking for the US dollar to continuously to push up, all right, to continuously push up. Well, Jamie, you know, we had a big dump, you know, that thing was going down. Yeah, it definitely was. It was like the, you know, the what they call the egg man that was on the wall, you know, Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall, had a great fall. Yeah, well, yeah, he fell, but we're looking at doggone moving back up. We're looking at retracing back up. Okay, guys, so we're looking at the US dollar being bullish right now in this trend. And if we go to the higher time frame, which I love the higher time frames, all right. Overall, we are selling, we are in a downtrend, but overall we are still bullish. Overall, we are still bullish. Again, this is not a teaching session. I'm just showing you how I approach the markets, okay? How I approach the markets. And the markets came down and retested the 618. All right, so it respected that. If you know anything about Fibonacci, the 618 is the magic number. All right, guys. So it's like I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. All right. So it respected the 618, and then that's when we had that push up. All right, guys. So the market just it goes up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. The market doesn't go straight up, and the market doesn't just go straight down. Now, they say what Jamie did over here. Well, yeah, because that was news induced. All right, that was news induced. All right, but you have to understand what time frame I'm on. All right, so enough about that. I'm just going to guys give you a quick analysis on what I'm looking for in the markets right now. All right. So looking for price to go ahead again, possibly retest this trend line. We're looking at price to come back to probably about 107, excuse me, 103 spot 777. So, all right, one of my favorite numbers. I love the number 7. So we could possibly see price come tag that and then push itself back up. But we could be prepared because there's going to be some major news that price could drop and then work itself way back up. So we're going to definitely see what's going to happen right there. All right. I want to basically look at NZD news. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at NZD news, not NZD news. We're going to look at NZD USD as a whole. Now, actually, earlier I saw an opportunity to enter NZD USD, and currently right now, we did that, and actually it just missed my TP. Oh my goodness. Isn't that about nothing? It missed my TP. Kenneth, you see that, man? Moses.
Yeah,
Jermaine.
them brokers got you.
Man, you know, that's so disrespectful. That is so disrespectful. You know, that was about $2,000 we could have made today, man. What a great way to end the week, right? What a great way to end the week. But you know what? It's okay. We don't cry with spilled milk. Ain't that right, Jermaine? Oh, Kenneth, or anybody that's out there. We don't cry with spilled milk, right? Huh?
Yeah, we got to keep it moving.
We got to keep it moving, baby. We got to keep it moving. We got to keep it moving. We got to keep it moving. So you know what I'm going to do? I think I'm going to do the right thing. I think I'm going to go take a little bit off, you know, because we did 38 standards on this trade, right? We did 38 standards on this trade. And, you know, this thing is kind of pulling back right about now. But I want to see something here. And we may consolidate. And you know what? That's actually what price is doing. Look at this, fellas and ladies and gentlemen. We're consolidating right here. Something's going on. Something's going on. What they say, something just ain't right. Something just ain't right. Okay. So I'm gonna move this over just a little bit. All right. Price is definitely moving on up. But Jimmy, you should have took your money and ran. Yeah, well, you know. I'm not afraid of it. I'm not afraid of it. I'm like that song from Eminem. I'm not afraid to take a chance. Everybody, come take my hand. All right. I say, y'all, now, Jamie, just stick to trading. You're not a singer. You're not a rapper. You're right. I'm not. But that's all right. So we're going to kind of look and see what kind of opportunities we have with NZD USD. All right. I'm going to kind of see what's opportunities. You know what? I want to go to the 4 hour. That's what I want to do. I'm going to go to the 4 hour. I'm going to go to the 4 hour time frame. I want to kind of look at that time frame. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring this over here. Keep my eye on it, of course. I'm going to bring this over here. All right. So the 4 hour was very, 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 very bullish. It's retracing right now. All right. So you know what? Let's do this. I'm going to clear everything off my chart. Everything. Drawings, I'm going to clear everything. Remove all drawings. Everything. We're going to start from scratch, right? There's ain't nothing to it but to do it. All right. All right. All right. I'm going to take it from the 4 hour. And you know what? I don't like it. Yeah, I kind of like it. You know what? This is what we're going to do. I'm going to take my Fibonacci. I'm going to take our Fibonacci. I'm going to bring this up here. All right. Prices come down and check to 25%. All right. Well, Jamie, how come you didn't take it from here? Well, how come you didn't take it from here or here or here? Slow down, pump your brakes. All right. Slow down and pump your brakes. This is not Q&A time. This is money making time. All right. All right. So we've definitely been making higher highs, lower high, high and low, low, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. All right. So, well, Jamie, you know, it could be coming back up. Yeah, it could be. It could be. But see, you have to understand something. We're looking for the overall move. Right now, the overall move is bearish, right? This is a bearish trend, all right? Bearish. That's why you guys need to look at Dr. Greg's bulls versus bears. Now, if you look at his bulls versus bears, you'd be amazed on how much free information Dr. Greg gives out. You'd truly, truly, truly be amazed. All right, so that's the 4 hour. We're going to go down here now to the 1 hour. All right. All right. Kind of fix this up a little bit. There we go. All right. So what I'm seeing here right now is that the market is just like consolidating right here. All right. It's definitely consolidating right here. I'm going to kind of draw a little rectangle. Price is, no, it's just there. All right. Uh-oh. Nope, I don't want that. I don't know how I did that, but that's pretty cool. Okay, there we go. All right. All right, so let's go down here to the 30-minute. I love the 30-minute time frame. All right. All right. All right. And this is where we are right now. You know, this is where we're at right about there. This is where we are right about there. You guys see I have my stop loss sitting right here. About 4.6 pips. I'm risking 1% in my account. And I was up, you know, I probably should have just took that money, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. And see, you're going to actually learn that with Dr. Greg when you join. You're actually going to learn that because he's going to get you right here in alignment with your mindset. He's going to get you in alignment with your emotions. All right. That's a beautiful thing. That's a beautiful thing. All right. Good deal. Good deal. Good deal. I just want to check over here on Skype world. All right. Let's see what we got here. All right. So we're going on here now. All right. I'm going to do some work over here. So we got that 30-minute popping off. Prices definitely come up. So you know what I'm going to do? This is what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to draw me a trend line. That's right. I'm going to draw me a trend line. And I think we're going to do some we got some news coming out here. If I remember correctly. Got some news coming out here in a few minutes. Some news coming out here in about
30 seconds.
30 seconds? All right. Got some news coming out. All right. Let's see what's going to happen with that news, right? I'm already in. You know, I'm already in. I'm already in. And I'm still looking for sales. Thank you so much. I'm looking for sales. All right. I'm out this trade right now. I'm out this trade. All right. I just lost a little bit under $2,000. All right. I'm currently still in a trade. For some reason, did not have a stop loss. I'm going to have to fix that. But I'm going to trust my judgment. But I'm still waiting because I'm still looking for overall sales. All right, we're going to check the news here in a few moments. I'm going to check news here in a few moments. I'm going to check news here in a few moments. And there's that move right back down. We're going to wait just a moment. We're going to wait just a moment. We're going to wait just a moment because I just don't arbitrarily enter into trades. I want to see what the market is showing me. All right. Now the market ran up for approximately for approximately 9 pips. All right, 9 pips. All right, not bad, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Still respecting this trend line. Still respecting this trend line. Price is still pushing up. Price is still pushing up. We got a break on this trend line here. But my analysis is showing short-lived buys. My analysis is showing short-lived buys. Short-lived buys. I don't know about you, but it looks like my trend line is moving. Do you think we got some gremlins in here? All right. Did that candle literally just move my trend line, guys? You know what? I know I'm not losing my mind. That trend line looked like it just moved. I think there's some ghost in my laptop here. I'm telling you, we're gonna have to figure out what the heck's going on before 377. What's really going on? What's really happening? It's like, oh, Jamie lost $2,000. He told you he doesn't know what the heck he's doing. Mere mortals. Mere mortals. Mere mortals. Mere mortals. Guys, I'm feeling a little frisky. I'm ready to go ahead and take a sale right about now. All right, I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm hot. And we're live in the market right now. All right, I'm live right now. I am not telling you to take this lot size. I do not give out lot sizes. Okay. I do not give out lot sizes. I do not give out lot sizes. Currently, my entry is at 0.61179. 61179. All right. And I'm looking at taking my first TP. That doesn't look right. I don't think that is accurate. Is that accurate? 9 pips, right? Is that 9 pips? That really is 9 pips. Huh. Okay. Doesn't look right. Nah, that can't be right. That can't be right. Is that correct? Yeah, that is actually correct. Huh. No, I didn't think that was right. Okay. No, that is not right. Okay, there we go. There we go. That was for a different trade. Okay, here we go. All right, guys. My TP is going to be at this trade. gonna be at 0 spot. Where is it at? 0 spot 60927. All right. That's where my TP is going to be at. All right. We're going to go ahead and move our trend line right here. Got a tad bit of a pullback. Well, Jamie, aren't you nervous? Nope. Well, Jamie, how come you're not nervous? Because I'm confident. I'm confident because I'm competent. I trust my eyes. I trust what I see. And if you join Elite Traders University, ETU, you're going to be able to do the same thing. And I'm praying that you will, so you can become better. Right? Better. That's what it's all about. Better, 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 better. Becoming better. All right, guys. Currently, we're down about 3.3 pips. 3.3 pips. 3.3 pips. Did pretty good this week. Did pretty good this week. Even despite that $1,900 loss. Still in the blue. Still in the blue. 1 second, guys. Please. I do apologize. One second, please. I have to take this call. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, where were we? All right. Sorry about the distraction. Sorry about the distractions. All right, okay, price has definitely pushed up. Price has definitely pushed up. All right. And right now we're down about 9 pips. 9 pips. 9 pips. Down about 9 pips right now. Okay, we're down a little bit of spare change, about $3,400. We're down about $3,400. We're going to go ahead and check that economic news here real quick. Check that economic news here very quickly. All right, DXY, yep, it definitely came down. DXY did come down. We did say that I was looking for price to come here around this area, 103. Right now it's at 103,800, 103,807, 806. And we're looking for price to go ahead and make a rebound to come back up. All right. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. So let's go ahead and peg this here real quick. Where's my arrow? Where's my arrow? There we go. All right. And we're looking to come back up to these highs. You know, I don't like that arrow. I'm going to use a different arrow. There we go. Here we go. Look for price to come back up to this area at 104. spot 272. All right, guys, 104,272. 104,272. All right, make this a little thicker. And we're going to make it green. All right, there we go. That's where we like to see price come up to. So I like to see it come up to. All right, guys. So we're going to go back here and check out what happened with the news. All right. NZD USD is still showing bearishness. And we're going to go ahead and find out what happened in the news. Economic calendar. Hey. All right. All right. Zero change on month with PPI. Year on year, it was at 2.4. They were actually looking at it to happen at 2.2. All right. Actually, it dropped. All right. It dropped down 0.2%. All right. Dropped down 2.2%. And then there was a zero change on the CPI month on month. All right. So it gave it a boost. It gave it a boost downward. All right. Downward for the US dollar. All right. So that's the reason why NZD definitely pushed up. But as you guys can see, it didn't really push up a lot. Right. It didn't push up a lot. All right. So let's go back there to the DXY real quick. Just gave a little dump. Just gave a little drop right here. Right. But we're looking for that to possibly rebound right back up. All right, guys. So we're going to go ahead and still hang in this trade here. Let me go ahead and bring that back up. All right. We're currently down about 6 pips. Currently down about 6 pips on NZD USD. NZD USD currently down 6 pips. Price definitely broke out here. All right. Make that a little bit bigger for you guys to see. Price definitely broke out. All right. Price broke out. And if I wanted to, you know what? I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to delete that because that's overall. But I want to do this. I'm going to do this. This is the last high before this down move. And I'm going to bring it right about here. Right there. All right. Perfect. All right. Prices come back 50%. 50%. All right. 50%. I currently have my stop loss. Currently have my stop loss 50% between the 50 and the 75%. All right. So that's where we're at right now. Oh, Jamie, you did so well yesterday and you're sucking today. Like I said, I don't get every single trade right. I don't. But that's one thing about it is that you can learn. You can learn on what happened. You can learn from your mistakes. All right, guys. And that's what this thing is all about. You're always learning. You're always learning. All right, here we go. I'm still respecting this trend line. We're currently down about 8.2 pips. It's currently 8:44 in the morning here. 8:44 in the morning. I hope everybody's still out there moving and shaking. All right. If you are, go ahead and put 357 in the chat for me. 357 in the chat. 357 in the chat. Make me know that you're still alive out there. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Looking at price. Coming back, making that nice little reversal. Well, Jim, why don't you go ahead and put some more trades in? Well, my friend, the reason that I don't do that is because we have to use something called proper risk management. That's right, proper risk management. My job is to protect the check. Well, you didn't protect it too good that time and you lost that $2,000. Well, I had a stop loss in it. It could have been worse. All right. Okay, then. So that's the reason why. All right. Always use proper risk management. Always understand what you're willing to lose. What you're willing to lose. Okay. All right. Looking for price to come on back down. Now, I'm sure some people would like to know where my main TP is looking at. I'm gonna be very frank and transparent with you, and I'm gonna go to the higher time frame real quick. And I'm going to the 4 hour. I'm gonna show you where I'm looking at price to come back to. All right. I would like price to come back at least 50%. And I'm gonna kind of show you that right now. Overall, where I would like to see price come back to. All right, I'm going to give you that price point. There we go. All right, that price point is going to be at 0.6 even. 0.6 even. All right, go ahead and put that in your archives. That Uncle KUTT made the prediction of 0.600. All right, that's where I'm looking at price to go to 0.600. Okay. All right, awesome. Go back out here to the 30-minute real quick. Do that. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open her up. Nice little retracement right here. All right, we're currently down right about now, about 6 pips. 6 pips. 6 pips. What I'm going to do, I'm going to actually delete that larger fib so no one gets distracted. Okay. Bam. All right, there we go. There we go. All right. Got a nice little trend line break. Nice trend line break. Nice returning right back up. Go. Bring that over just a tad bit. All right, we're currently down about 8.5 pips. 8.5 pips. I think she still wants to keep pushing out. We want to see what's going on here. All right. Move my trend line here. There we go. Currently down right now about nine pips. Currently down about 9 pips. 9 pips. Today is Wednesday. It's 8:50 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. Price is still moving up very aggressively. We currently have about 8 minutes and 30 seconds left on this 30-minute candle. 8 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. Very, very strong candle here. Very, very strong bullish candle here, right? Price is steadily pushing up. Jimmy, you're down like $4,000, man. What the heck, dude? Because that's what I'm willing to risk. What I'm willing to risk. Price is steadily moving up. Very, very aggressive. Very aggressive before the 9 o'clock hour. Now negative 12.2 pips. Down 12.2 pips. $12.2 pips. Tell you, NU is moving up like the Jeffersons. Currently down 12.7 pips. 12.7 pips. Gave NU a 15 pip stop, 15 pip stop loss. 15 pip stop loss. And it looks like I'm going to be popped out. Full transparency, down $5,700. Down $5,700. Now, is it going to show me grace and drop like it did at my TP? What you think, Ken? What you think, Ken? You think it's gonna show me grace? Because this show robbed me earlier of my TP.
That's a long way to go.
It definitely robbed me of my TP, man. I might have to call. I might have to call Barack Obama on this one, huh? I tell you. All right, we are flat. We are flat. We are flat. All right, that was $5,800. That's what we lost. $5,800. That was a learning lesson, and I'm gonna find out what that learning lesson was. All right, I'm gonna definitely get back with you guys tomorrow and let you know what I learned. All right, but hey, we win some and we lose some. We win some and we lose some. Okay, we win some and we lose some. But we're gonna find out what's going on. Right, I'm gonna still stick around here because I still have faith in my analysis. I still have faith in my analysis. Now, this is what the funny part's going to be. This is what the funny part's going to be. It put me out and watch it drop. That's going to be the funny part. That's what's going to be hilarious. Currently still have a small trade that's currently running right now. A small trade. We're down about 14 pips with that trade on NU. Still have that small trade. Check on the DXY here real quick. Kind of want to see what's going on with the Dixie. Dixie is currently right now 103.765, 103.765, 103.767. All right. Looking for that to push up. Looking for that to respect this trend line. There we go. To respect that trend line. Continue going up. It's currently 8:59, 30 seconds before the 9 o'clock hour. 30 seconds before the 9 o'clock hour. Bad news for the US dollar. Bad news for the US dollar. Bad news for the US dollar. NZD USD is steadily pushing. Steadily pushing. Prices are moving very, very, very aggressively. A new 4-hour candle has formed. A new 4-hour candle has formed. It's 9 a.m. That's right. Currently 9:01 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. 9 o'clock. New 1 hour, new 4-hour candle is formed. A new 1 hour candle is formed. A new 30-minute candle is formed. A new everything is formed at the 9 o'clock hour. All right. Please understand we have some more red folder news coming out today, guys. All right. And that's why trading today was definitely risky. All right. Definitely risky. Still a little ticked that my TP didn't get hit. But as they say, you can't cry with spilled milk, right? Cannot cry with spilled milk. Broke one of my cardinal rules. If it doesn't hit it, sometimes you just got to go ahead and close it yourself. You can't be greedy and want every drop out of it, right? And that's definitely was my fault. Should have just closed the trade, took my money, and just watched the fireworks. But hey, it is what it is. Price is steadily moving up. Currently, right now, price is at 0.61200. 0.61200. Look like it's definitely coming back. 0.61256. Maybe going back a little bit further. She could be making a full retracement. A full retracement. Find out. So far, she's moved about 24 pips. 24 pips. 24 pips. 24 pips. She is definitely on a rampage here. Definitely on a rampage here. My God. But Jamie, you still got that little runner sitting down there. I'm going to definitely keep that runner right there. I'm definitely going to keep that runner right there. I might tell you about that little runner tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, the dollar is definitely going down. Looks like she is definitely coming back up here to this area. 0.6125. 0.61256. That's just definitely, as you can see, she's making higher highs and higher lows. She's steadily pushing up there on the lower time frame. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a gander right back at the Dixie, seeing where she's currently at right now. She's dropped a little bit further than I expected her to. Currently right now, she's at 103.702. 706, 103.701. So she is definitely taking a tad bit of a dive right about now, guys. All right. And we are looking at the 4-hour time frame. She is definitely moving. All right. Going downward. Might be preparing for a setup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of move this down right here. All right. We're going to see if she's going to be targeting this. So she's going to target this low at 103.488. 103.488. All right. All right. So I'm going to go back up here. Go back up to this economic calendar. Don't forget, we have some medium orange folder news. All right. You might want to be looking at USD CAD. Hint, 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 hint. All right. USD CAD. My recommendation. All right. But at 2 o'clock, we're going to have a bunch of fireworks. All right. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 1400 hours. 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's definitely going to be some fireworks. Going to be moving. All right, guys. So definitely be careful with that. All right. Definitely be careful with that. We're going to go back and look at this trade here real quick. All right. And the singing you hear in the background is the call to prayer here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It is the call to prayer. All right. It's the call to prayer. All right. Keep this trend line together. All right. So as you guys can see, we have definitely continuously to keep pushing. Price is definitely very, very aggressive, very, very, very bullish. Thing is that it's only moved 25 pips, 26 pips. All right. Doesn't seem like a lot, right? Doesn't seem like a lot, but it's definitely a lot when you're on the lower time. Okay. See a lot more movement on the lower time frame. All right. So yeah, that's where we're at right now, guys. All right. It's about 9:08 in the morning, guys. 9:08 in the morning. It's definitely been a learning experience this great day. All right. KUTT got his butt handed to him, and you know what? That's all right. I always understand this. There's always tomorrow. You can never keep a good man down. All right. So, guys, God bless you. On behalf of Dr. Gregory McLeod, God loves you. I love you. It ain't nothing you can do about it. You guys have an awesome day. Deuces.